Countryman, countrywoman. Tori day. Another tori why they broke up for now. For this sharp na witi. The tori na say, hey. Oh, na say witi. For that side, for Yaounde. That artist, where they call it say, send the Z at Tango. Where even they cut grass for a pikin. Where they open mimbo for a pikin. Where they cook chop, he test them. The man, he turn a pikin them for a woman. He get 3 girl pikin them. Number 1, number 2, he turn her for Inga. Number 3, he try, he run. Neither the matter don't come out because he said, the one show say be some baby man, say he don't born pikin with a pikin them. Scandal. The scandal can go so tay, it strong so tay. Now people they start begin ask and say, who's a state council for inside the matter day? It did waka. People they start begin talk about penal code, article 360, 335, 345, so 47. They only talk. Now that so article for them we talk say if one of the parent them they not court book, you know waka, or the victim not court book. Now that send the Z atago ipikin don't court book. But before one court book, they don't catch you too, they go put her for ngata. Because that way they will ask that matter, he say the thing don't be anything for he because he believe for pa, say pa na God sent, say pa na imasa, I pa na pikin, na papa for he pikin them. So how much it born pikin? It be papa for the pikin. He born pikin with pikin. It be grandpa for a pikin, a pikin. You be papa for your pikin, and then you be grandpa because say now you get that pikin there. Papa, grandpa, papa for the same time. The matter then now it continue. So we'll see how the matter will go end before we know how the thing go. Countryman, countrywoman. Ya pikin, I repeat ya pikin no be ya woman. No way. No be ya pikin for ya woman. Then remember say people will be glad for the matter. You know correct so. So as we look out for up, we look out for down, we know say meeting they will give pass the way they pass. But may will be very, very careful because man no know. Man no know uya. Countryman, now for here we'll go put in for the small pigeon program for this day.